What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you the best way to make money online with just maybe a small investment. Okay, but before I get into the content, welcome to my channel. If you are not already a subscriber, make sure you go ahead and subscribe right now to my channel because I'm coming out with consistent content teaching you how to create a life full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. All about how to make money online, how to create passive income streams with affiliate marketing, with different products that are online, and etc. Okay, so go ahead and subscribe to this channel if that's what you like to see. And at any point in this video, if you're getting value, don't forget to hit the like button, as well as comment below if you're using this technique that I'm going to show you, or just tell me what you think about it, okay? But most importantly, do not forget to subscribe. So, what is the best way to make money online with none to a little investment? Okay. Before I get into the exact method, I'm going to give you two techniques. One way is to make money the best way to make money online for free with no investment is to start a YouTube channel. Okay. Start a YouTube channel centered around some kind of content, some topics, or whatever you like to do, and pump out consistent content, sharing it with other people, right? And get good at SEO, which means targeting and tagging and descriptions and titles, so that you are able to be found by those who are searching on YouTube or searching on Google. And your video is found, and then that skyrockets your views. And then with views, you get subscribers. And with subscribers, you get consistent views. Okay. And with YouTube, what you do is once you get 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, you're then able to monetize your channel. And after you monetize your channel, the more views you get in your videos and that you have ads on those videos after monetization, Google AdSense, or as a YouTube partner, you'll just get residual income in the bank, and you haven't paid anything, or you don't have to pay anything. But if you pay for a course that will teach you how to get monetized quickly and how to rank your videos SEO very well, then that is the way to make money fast and scale it up so that it is a substantial amount of money. Okay. So that's the free way. Now the second way still deals with YouTube, but I mentioned it or suggested it later or a little bit as my first way. You need to pay for a course. You need to get some training, some teaching. You need to be taught by someone who has what you want, right? And I say that is with Jordan's course by 9 to 5. Jordan has his last name is Jordan Mackey. Here he is here. He has a course titled Make Money on YouTube Made Easy 2019 edition. Okay. This course, I'm currently in it. At any point in this video, if you want to check the course out, go ahead and check the first link in the description down below, and it'll take you straight to this page here, the home page, where you can see some testimonials. Well, first Jordan gives a overview of what his course is about, what you'll learn from this course, if the course is a good fit for you or not. So check that video out, as well as some claims from those who are in the course. They'll show you, how the results that they have gotten from taking Jordan's course. Look, in Jordan, I'm gonna take you a little bit into the back office where I have enrolled in his course, and it's step-by-step detailed training teaching you how to get your channel monetized quickly, and then how to increase your ad revenue with SEO targeting, as well as some tactics and strategies that you can implement and utilize to get to that income goal, passive income goal you want to quickly. Okay. His course is $125 for the beginner course. And then he has a master course that is $145. Now the pricing, depending on when you're watching this video, the pricing may change, but it shouldn't change as much as Kevin Davids and other gurus out there. They were charging thousands of dollars for the same content, and they're not updating it. Okay, so that takes me to my next point with Jordan's course here. He updates his content. YouTube and all these other tactics and strategies, they change. They're forever changing, getting better, getting smarter. So what Jordan does in his course, he updates it. He updates it to the point where it is relevant to the atmosphere or environment of YouTube or Google or whatever platform that you're using. Okay, so that's why it's good to get Jordan's course. And then he has proof of income. He has his payments from Google AdSense. Look, this is just his ads. So no one's purchasing anything that he's selling, or no one is paying him money. No, they're watching his videos that he's watching. They're watching the content that he has produced on YouTube, and they're seeing ads. And when they see that ad, they're getting paid. They're getting revenue from that. Now look, he's banking $15,000, $20,000 a month just from Google AdSense. But get this, Jordan's not even making the videos. This channel here that he has, where he has his overview, this channel is called By 9 to 5, if you want to go check it out. But he is not even monetized on this channel. He created 3 other channels where he's not even in video. His face is not on the video. His voice is not on the video, where he is making the $20,000 and $30,000 a month with. And that's exactly what he teaches in his course. Okay. So let me take you into the back office of the course. Like I said at the beginning, at any time, if you want to check out the course, and you can just scroll through here and get, it's a lot of information, and proof and videos and testimonials that you can watch from other people. So check it out for yourself. But just to log in, seen to the back office, just to let you know that I have invested in it, and I haven't gotten results yet because I'm only halfway through the training, but I'm taking consistent action. Okay. And that's the name of the game. If the number one way to make money online, the best way ever, is to take consistent action. All right. So here we are. This is the back office. Look, he goes to his module 1's the introduction about, he has a Facebook group. It's all the admin and logistics stuff for his course. And then he goes in module 2 on creating your YouTube and AdSense account, which is the AdSense account is where how you would get paid. And then all the way into getting monetized. So you want to get to the monetize review process on YouTube within 2 weeks. I mean, people are spending years just to get to the monetization process. So he teaches you how to do it in 2 weeks with only 1 video. That's like mind blowing. Anyone can do this. It's very intuitive. But here I am 57% complete. I'm on module 6 right now, still learning, because I have taken action all the way through module 3. So I'm still in the monetization process. So as I'm doing that, I'm still going through the trainings and seeing what I can do to get ahead and be prepared. So once I pass on monetization, boom, I can hit the ground running, ready to go and start making some money. Hopefully like the Jordan's making $20,000, $30,000 a month, right? But you have to take consistent action. All right. So guys, that's my recommendation, as the best way to make money online with little and as well as no money, if you want to go that route. But I suggest that you go ahead and invest in Jordan's course. Look, it's not a lot of money. Well, it is a lot of money if depending on how your bank account is set up. But if you take his course, take action, you will get the return on your investment, your break even very quickly. So, but you have to take action. You have to start and be consistent with it. All right. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Hey, and don't forget, like I said at the beginning, subscribe to my channel if you like this content, if it was helpful to you. If this particular video was helpful to you, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and comment below if you're in Jordan's course or if you have taken a course similar to this. Give me the pros, the cons, and what you think. All right, guys. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you guys at a later time. Peace.